uyingelosi engenamaphiko useyinkosi, you were born to be a hero. It's a song dedicated to albinism, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So xa ungumntana uphila ne-albinism, especially intombazana, kuthiwa suphuma phandle because of into ezimbini. Lelanga esibini ngabantu abazombhesha bazokubona uba ufani nabo.
Okay.
Right. So wena uyingelosi xa uphuma, everybody was surprised but ukhona lo. So now xa uphuma uzoface ezokuyenza ubomi bakho uzofuneka uqine ukubana xa ubheshwa uzokwazi. And okwesibini also ilahleka ilanga ufuneka ukwazi uba so the song is nice, man. Verse 1 ithetha ngalona intombazana onga-acceptwanga i-community, but I'm convincing the community to accept you. And then check verse number 2, I'm talking about me, that I don't care no matter what you say about me.
Yeah, but this is me.
This is
Yo, what's up, everybody? What's good? My name is AYEOZ Ayaz Mabinda, the 9-1 King, the goated journey of all generations. Welcome to yet another episode of the IHL podcast. Today I'm not chilling alone, but before you know the tradition, it's pretty simple. Go to the button at the bottom, press subscribe there so that we grow the community. The second thing, you press the notification bell so that every time we drop content, you are notified. And then the last thing, you share. That's not the last thing. The real last thing this time, you comment, because we need those comments, we need those suggestions, we need those what is constructive criticism. Yes, we need that as well. Make sure you drop it at the bottom so that we are able to grow the platform. Otherwise, welcome to it, man. Yet another episode. Today, I'm chilling with the coolest rapper in the Eastern Cape. What's up, my dog?
good, but I was still
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Yeah.
Long time.
no see, bro. Long time.
Yeah, you left Eastern Cape. You're in Joburg now. How's life in Joburg, my dog?
Yeah, life in Joburg, like currently or ever since I went
Like
to
generally, how are you finding Joburg? How are you settling in? After I found you say Gauteng.
But honestly, I'm enjoying it. I don't wanna lie.
Okay.
Ndiyafunda from ekufundeni still ndiyabethakala, and then ukubethakala kwami phela ngikwazi ukuthini uzimela as a man, yabo.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying it. I don't wanna lie. And I'm also having a great time.
Yeah.
I see the inspiration every day.
Yeah, but life is it, how's economically, how's the life? Is it expensive? Is it not too far from East London?
East London is chilled. Ichozi is busy, and Ichozi is ifuna imali. Funeka imali onayo namhlanje. Funeka iphele namhlanje ngoba uzoba nenye ngomso.
Okay. So awungamile basically.
Yeah.
No.
Also funeka eJozi ukwazi uzafford yabo. Awukwazi uvisa ukuhlala nje ungena imali uyajabulisa.
Yeah. Kuzoqala sibe desperate uhlupha abantu ke ngoku.
Yeah.
No, it makes sense, my dog. Otherwise, for those who don't know you, Tina siyakwazi uqarha, and we've been seeing your work. Let's say there's someone watching this podcast and they're seeing you for the first time. Please introduce yourself, who you are and what you do as well.
Actually igama lami ngicwenga ne. Ifani yami nginomnganga, ngikuqarha uvambana amahlahlana. Ekhaya kuseNgcobo. Yeah, man, I'm an artist, I'm a rapper. I love music, and I'm a student of entrepreneurship.
Okay.
Yeah, they found a cool way and get try to
Yeah, you grow with it.
Yeah, I'm that guy, and I'm also an activist for albinism.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I'm that guy.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it, big dog. You in Joburg now. You are making moves. Fortunately, we have Instagram, we have TikTok, we have Facebook, the whole social media level, and we can be tapped in and see the things that you do. But you're a hip hop artist. Where does it start for you?
It starts with rap, man. NdiseNgcobo kufika omnye umjita kuthiwa umnye wayehlala eMount ufike ephethe MP3. Kule MP3 kukho ingoma zika 50 Cent nezika Missy Elliott.
Okay.
And other OCR and all that. ekhaya ke lamculo ubungekho besingakwazi besingawudlaliswa ekhaya kukho irules uba uzomamela igospel uzomamela ihouse uzomamela icawa yonke la so now afike lo mjita kungekho bazali mina afika sifakele le MP3 idlale
yeah
I like this one man.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine. Kufuneka kuphinde siyikhuphe lesithi abantu abadala bangafiki bayile.
Yeah. For those who might not know MP3 ila CD banengoma eziningi. Yeah.
I was like, "Eish, I like it, man." And then from there, the CD of mind idlala xa kusemini after school.
Ngexa kungekaweka.
Actually, abekhona abanye abantu basekhaya. And abantu bazakwazi nonixela. Khona ingoma nayo icwenga, ingoma nazo icwenga sifuna kudlalwe zona but mina ndiyayifihla even i-content yomculo ndayiva uba no akho suppose idlalwa apha endlini yeah so we kept on playing that and then umakazi ikhona enye irhulumane andiyatshate nayo so umakazi lirhulumane ifike iphethe i-CD kaBricks so now okay iyafana mani le nto qha nje kubifana lena ngathi ngeSixhosa yivenek
iyavakala le
idlalwa ngumuntu omdala man meaning that's lento nzayimamela nayo ngoba ndamamela la CD kaBricks which is the Facebook album I got inspired there as well and then ndaqala ndayikhupha ke ngone MP3 yami ndizidlala ke ngoku it's when ke ngoku ndaqala khona ndabanomdla ndazovozola from Ozola ndazova omapaputsi and all that so I was inspired more by Kwaito then
okay
and then xa bezodlala uPro Kid ke ngoku eTVini
a confirmation
I was like okay yeah and kubizwa mna ndikwenye indlu ngapha kuthiwa nami lamculo wakho
so which means ke ngoku even lapha endlini sebeqalisa urecognize le art
bayibonile and uyibona kwabo baskeptical and abanarhaleleli le nto
but bayakubona uyayithanda
so ndizoqala ndibukele live amp kakhulu ke ngoba because uPro Kid uyadlala ukhuphe uzobabona uJeba ukhuphe uTswaka
Tswaka.
So like him now the hate kakudlala le sound that's how it all started and then xa ndimka ndibheke ebhayi boarding school hayi ke bengiqhuza kanti ndimamela yonke enye lento mamela
so benza ubuza ibhayi uye boarding school okay so uyafika boarding school ke ngoku there's a bit of freedom ke ngoku
there's a bit of freedom now after imini phelile siyavalelwa phanga ngo6 up until kusasa so ngo6 umuntu ufuneka bene wireless yakhe uba at least akwazi entertainer uba akanayo asinazi phones sebancinci that time so omnye umjithambo ene wireless ke so I get to listen to hip hop phakuye ndifika ene album kaDangatye
Dangatye that's a legend ubani igama
Dangatye ndifike ene album kaDangatye ndifike ndiyithande plus ne album kaZola ebutho hayi ke nandihlala endlini yakhe umjita mamela lamculo ndaqala ngakona ndafuna ubhala so my favorite song it was Ilwandle by Zola ne Ulwandle so ndaqala ndafuna ufunda eza lyrics manje ndibhala zona yabamqhuza ke ever since
emveni koko man that's so mostly when inspiration yakho even though it started with American hip hop introduction yakho to culture hip hop but iskakhulu inspiration that made you want to do it was mostly local South African vernac artists
ndiye ndava besendisokolisa isingisi remember ngozengcobo so when was I was still young. I think I'm doing grade 3 or grade 4. So now, andizukwazi uziva zonke izinto zithethwa. So ndithendo yiva balento iyakwazi ukwenzeka ngesixhosa.
Translating yakho language.
Yafika yahlala.
Then when does the Ispaza come calling? Ispaza, does it find you already? Okay, let me not say Ispaza because there's politics around that. Because you might be saying Ispaza meaning Xhosa rap. Izipambane zaseMundi, izipambane zasebhayi basenza Ispaza thina. So where does this local Xhosa hip hop rap find you? Because okanye your introduction to rap, it started sounding like them because not the first time I heard you were too Xhosa, like you were like deep in your language.
Kaloku ndibaselwe ngelamajite kwaito lamajite kwaito becula languages zabo. So the way Mandoza expressed himself on the respect so Yeah, meant something that even nam xa ndenza ingoma kuzofuneke ndiyithethe ngelwimi lam apho khona ndizawukwazi nam I'm a fan of my music. So I can't release music that is going to be listened by you and then mna ndingakwazi
umamela wena.
So mna ukuze ndiyimamele kufuneka isuke kum entliziyweni.
Yeah.
So yeah man, ndizova mna uPhizo no Mike Substance no Kid kwifoni yomnye umjida wase Cape Town.
Okay.
Wayifika pha elalini. Ufika ke sendibaseleka ke ngomna ngokubricks that time.
Yeah, umameleni kwaito.
Kwaito.
Underband.
Yeah, underband over.
Yeah.
Ayifika ngoba okay, sisizulu esi. But ese sisixhosa.
So which means nanze yam.
Nanze yam ndiye ndizifumana yabona ndizoke American ndathi Zulu, ndathi Xhosa. Ndifika ndazinza ke pha. Ndithande kakhulu Kid yabo Kid bendithanda indlela iflows zakhe too much
yakhe style flow yeah
infumene njalo yase Cape Town dingekavi ke mna ke ngokuba kukho abantu base Eastern ke babenza kwale way
yeah
because did even kabapha ngokwabo kuthiwa ngabase Gauteng kuthiwa ngabase
Kapa yeah
so mna I got attached to the culture isixhosa hip hop through Cape Town so ndamamela amajita ndizova umota ke ngoku
okay
umotla nzengenyani anzanga ufake wa
yeah basami
yeah kanti kuthiwa ke yasebhayi oh okay hayi ke kulapho khona ndaqoba amanzi ayenza
it's closer to home ke ngoku
to home
yeah so when do you then after all the inspiration having heard all these artists when do you then start taking the decision ba yabona ngoku ndibanza record ngoku ngizobhala yami rap nami ngizoba artist and then I will start doing my own music
bendihlala ndine pen nencwadi ne le pen nencwadi bendisebenzisa for uzoba I used to uzoba
okay
so now abazali bami bandijongile ukuthi uzoba bayayithanda but bazonotice into yobana ndisazobi sendibhala yabo because of now bakukhala uzola okanye kutsidi bendikopi ama-cassette ngithatha i-cassette lecawa pha noba mnomakholo thandela ngoma mhlawumbe ye-Hidden Force for instance fike ngoko ndithathela amagama ndiwabhale so that's challenge ngoba mangena izibhalele zabo but obviously zivakala njengezibezikhala
yeah because i-reference yakho yeah
ndaya so now the more ndibhala ndiye ndilibala noba ngoko ndisounda njengabanye so I'm creating my own patterns yeah if yazenzekela automatically yona because ngeli xesha ndimamela le mculo emininzi yabo yeah I think this time iTheagisi dropo chance ngela xesha
soqalile uLento
yeah sendiqalile sendikopa chance because eza verses ndandizazi ngaphandle kwele isuthu ndandizazi zonke so xa ndiqopa ubhala verse ndibeke ecaleni ndibhale yami sikhona ke umoya ngibhalela verse
similar to that yeah
it was easy like that
no my dog I mean we I think the come-ups are not very different because Mdulo sort of catches you the same. Now, I get that to Kulele Ngobo, and then Ngobo to Epai. And then I'm also interested in knowing something very personal to you. Then you're growing up in Ngobo as this kid with the condition albinism.
Okay.
How does I mean, Ngobo says Lalini mostly dominated by village areas. Then how does Kengoku this condition or Kulanayo? How is the community accepting this thing or can you receiving this thing? And how does it affect you if it affects you anyways?
Yeah, actually, Elalini ndithandiwe ba. Bandithande kakhulu because mna ndizelwe ndindedwa phela nomhlobo.
Okay.
So kuthiwa bakhona abafana nabo bangamawele abangapha kwentaba which is
Enyilali.
So now etown ukhona usisi wayese reception wayefana nami naye. So umakhulu wami kundithatha ayondibonisa uba bakhona abafana nami.
Okay.
So ndiye pha xa ndigqitha pha ayondibulisa andithande nalasisi yabo. So now umakhulu wami wayezama undibonisa into yokubana wazama undipusha into yobana ndiqale ndizithande ndizithembe yabo because I remember ngosikhulayo kuthiwa ndake ndame esipilini ndathi mna makhulu kutheni ndimnyama yabo not even understanding that there's white or black but I know that I'm different from other people
ababonayo
yeah so now I'm saying I'm black instead of I'm saying I'm white. Yeah. So one kula ngizela ngalo ile manje wena awumana simesipilini uthi kutheni yeah. But bandithande kakhulu elalini because bekubona kusiza nabantu njengoba bazobona yabo.
Yeah.
Sizobona noma khulu xa yami imisebenzi benibeleka apparently.
Ahambe nawe. So like acceptance, it didn't make you feel like, in as much as you would have noticed that you are different from other kids, but like acceptance didn't make you feel like ukwahluka kwakho yintwembi.
No, I felt special. I felt so special because ngiyathandwa ekhaya, ogqiba ndithandwa ezi-neighbors, ogqiba ndithandwa yilali yonke. So now noba ndifika emsebenzini othile ndihamba nomakhulu, everyone
bayakufuna.
Ndiyafunqulwa ngapha ndinikwa imali.
I mean, this is a different analogy because and it's refreshing to hear, don't get me wrong, because abantu abaninzi who grow up with whatever condition, let alone issue albinism. Let's say umuntu unenkubazeko waphila nayo. They always, in most cases, ukungazamkeli kwabo kususele kungamkelweni community. So I feel like, hey, these people, they treat me different. They don't treat me like. So with you, it's very. Then it also explains the way you are on social media. Because on social media, you are that person that is always teasing us about your condition of albinism. By extending Eminem and we all laugh and we like, it's beautiful to watch. So the confidence comes from there.
Yeah, and fun because I feel like Pailalin by injecting even now, doesn't feel elalini nangokuba abanye bathi mlungu abanye bathini yabo. So bayantanda man, and I appreciate that. Bayantanda, and that's why I didn't understand ezinye indaba ezinga-acceptile ufike nditreatwa fine since ndimhlophe, but unfortunately ndiyayazi uba zikhona indawo endithandwa kuzo, so I'm not gonna
expect
that thing. Andithathi ini uba ekuseni ngokundigezela kuthiwe ndiyinkawu kuthiwe ndiyintoni.
But it's just that abantu aba-understanding and the problem yabo.
Ayizukwazi uba yabo because
you can't own other people's landuka mentalities. No, my dog, I mean, I really appreciate to hear that. I wanted to touch on that as well. But let's go down to the music now. And let's go back, in fact, to
actually, even before we go there, yabona usuka kwam eNgcobo. eNgcobo uthando nasesikolweni. Ngibona ufuna grade 3, uprincipal wapha e-preschool kwethu esikolweni. Wathi no lo mntana kuzofuneka ahambe apha. Wayibona uniphathele icream. Yabona uniphathele icream ba izoba right for skin sakho.
Skin, yeah.
Aniphathele. Thina ekhaya we don't understand this condition
which is when ungoqala kowenu to have the condition. Okay. So
singayi understand nje banikhulisa njengomntana wonke. Very comfort cream nendoni. Khaba yandireserve nje elangeni nekhalamani. So now this time utishara yena manje niphathele icream zeNivea ne-sunblock nendoni esikolweni. So from there athi no man, xa ugqiba grade 3 khaya eKomani.
Okay.
Yabo. Ndifike njalo eKomani. Xa ndifike eKomani, at least eKomani kuselokishini akusekho sezilalini.
Okay.
So now at least ne-language different bakhona abantu abafana nami abakhoya apha esitratweni.
Okay.
But phaya esikolweni still sendim ndedwa phaya esikolweni. So njeka nenza u2 xa ndizokwenza u3 ndipasile wathi omnye umiss phaa umntana ubright lo khona utishara endimaziyo semthatha.
Okay.
Yabona uLuthando lusuka eNgcobo lize eKomani.
Yeah.
Bafone emthatha.
We have this kid.
But no man, ukhona umntana obright apha esikhangelela isikolo omhlophe. Kuthiwa okay makeze. Xa sifika emthatha kwathiwa kugcwele. From kugcwele la miss wayesoya emthatha wafonela eBhayi
ngokwakhe.
Wathi no man ukhona umntana and wayenza ngathi umntana ngokwabo yena. Wathi ukhona umntana ka-sister wami othile olapha ozofuna isikolo qha sigcwele apha. Anina sikolo anina space apha ekhanyisa. Kodwa bona ekhanyisa sinosikhona ispace makaze Monday. So Monday ngisuke emthatha ndabheka eBhayi zange ngiphinde ndibuye ke ngoku.
Then what? So basically eBhayi uye ngesikolo, not that there's family ekwelacala seBhayi.
Yeah, it was only me.
Yeah,
because I remember the 12 that time. So umakhulu yanishiya olethu hamba man. Olethu yanishiya so zawuhlala nababantu. Baza abantu, there's a lot of people living with albinism here and I'm not comfortable around.
I mean, I'm interested in that. Even though, I mean, we're not supposed to laugh, but it's a funny story. I mean, you are living with albinism, and then you get this place. There's a lot of people about albinism, and you are uncomfortable.
Yeah, now, but quick space very comfortable. So whereby it's only me with the condition. And then now, and
already you accept that. So
I'm special. These people they love me.
Yeah.
And then now can figure out I'm so special. Siafana. And two and Fumba Sunday yeah, but the Pelago, but I'm not bad because the corner way Thomas and Thomas Pogas was a John, young Baba.
Yeah,
in a Pelago and Kale, Penison. But get up and back grand, school Kulupa, Basfundis Braille. Basfundisa how to pila with the condition.
Okay.
Basfundisa was tabisa because remember so it is fine lang akufuna ukuzixabisa kakhulu. Abanye abantu bazothetha kakubi ngayo kufuneka ukwazi.
You need to be able umelana
nazo. Banenhliziyo eqinileyo for ukwazi uzimela.
What's the name of the school?
Khanyisa School for the Blind.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Khanyisa School for the Blind. Yeah, ndifunde khona basifundisa nokupheka. Bendikhula nabantwana abangaboniyo like totally blind.
At all.
You know, so bafunda ngezandla so and then naxa bayakubamba they too touchy so uzokubamba akuvuka ngokugqaka kaye bave voice and all that so kulapho ndiye understand khona ba umuntu it's not a matter of a condition or a matter of a color umuntu ngumuntu man because
and also ukuzi empowerisha akhona ungena uyenza kuba usithwa une condition ethile into ebalekile ukuzi empowerisha qha kule ndawo kuyo yeah no man Doc, I mean this is refreshing to hear. I mean, because Tina, we even at some point even don't want to ask you such questions because we feel like, hey, I'm doing an interview with this guy. What if I ask him this? He gets offended. Okay. So it's really refreshing to hear because we call on you that is actually living with the very same condition that might be coming across this and feeling like, oh, actually, so now you can empower from this point. Then you already at this time. Let's leave this part. I want us to go back to the music because I want us to get to your album. That's the thing.
Okay, let's go.
Do you start recording immediately? Okay, how do you then take us through your first recording? First time recording a song, like okay, cool. Where you end up learning this too.
So ngokumosekhaya bantathe bandisekhanyisa ne. So ndiyazaziba ndiyafuna urapper ndiyabhala ndiyarapper qha andafumana studio.
Yeah.
So now ngandifika kwi group of boys eziziculelayo nazo zibaselekele rap. Yeah, they from different places like Mtanzania, like Mthatha, wherever.
Areas ezihlukeneyo.
So I started to join them. Ngandifika barapele.
Yeah.
And barapele yo rap so for kwame group ina sirap mfase kuba okay ndiyayibona mina into yobana ayina lead kakhulu ebheka phambili. Bona ba enjoy nje ukucula nacula ku concerts zesikolo naxa kukhona into baba Pavel so mna ngoma mna ndirhaluzive ngomeni siphume ngenye imini sibheke complex wasifika ku track by thinga ka MTN or something sifike kwamajita aculayo pha ndiye pha ku le madoda nami ndiyacula man xa ndirhalela nami uzive sithi ini recorder sendivile na uthombo recorder le
so ikona ba ke record
ithenye no silapha eSlovo man yabo so thatha number yami uzontatsha so ngibuyela esikela ngicela lamathi majita ngifumene video record sa recorder okay kuthiwe siphathe 60 rand siyaba
so ukwenza ingoma i-60 rand
sesinazo i-beats kalo sine-instrumentals zo-Tupac nobani
funa nje ufake voice cha
voice okay it's fine ngoku kufuneka sifumane i-permission yophuma apha esikolweni fuka sizama ufumana iphepha siphume xa safika pha ezinye zifutshane ke zibekelwa ne-crate funeka
ufike emikini
so safika namajita sarekhoda kodwa iphi imali yombali ayikhuphi 60 rand
ole 60 rand yembali yaqoka kodwa uzothenga mbali
olethi kaloku lirekhodayo uyayingcolisa oko ngaleli
yombali lento
ngoku funeka afunde nayo uyafunda umjita So nathi sifunde high school siyangena high school yena uyafunda high school seyiphambili
Seyiphambili.
so thina siyamlibazisa lelo mculo yena isinemali lelimtshela nomntwana olethi so ka ibe sibe kule position ba okay it's fine masame le 60 rand course siyapha simnike si record ingoma yokuqala esithi ningasiqali
when you start from the first joint
ningasiqali ngikumuntu kahle kayibheka phambili kodwa sifake verses sabuya bese kwenza isibini sesibaseleka but now kunzima ubhala enye verse elandelayo ngoba kufuneka ngiphinde ndirephe la verse bendirephe kuleyo izolo so siqala singxoliswe hayi madoda anizokwazi uphinde verse eyi-1 engomeni eyi-1 sorry ezingomeni ezimbili so now we learning baqala ngamajida ane-shows ke ukuthi sizoba ne-show phaya e-Beat Center isinesilove konto kuse-Beat Center soba ne-show phaya e-Beat Center siyeza nathi safika sabona abanye abarepa njengathi it's when I met uqala ke ngoku
uqala uqala ngwasesilove nyanisile kanye I remember once went to a show kuye elalukeni. So we do all of these processes now because the first time now we get to hear of uqarha kuse Fort. Now Alice. How do you find the movement Fort? Do you get there's already a movement of artists as the rapper?
Okay. Now ngoku ndisekhanyisa ndiye ndafika ku-point yobana ndineyami igroup endiyivula ngokwami and I'm selecting isikhala sam which is Sharks Mbongi is there nenye boy wakuthiwa Everready no-Dark City sasiyi-M4L so siyayipusha lewe safumana ii-auditions eziyi-Gauteng that was 2011 sawina ii-auditions phaye saye-Gauteng xa sifike eGauteng ndakhupha laa ngoma ithi ngubani kaneenxarha it's when I recorded that song kulapho ndinabona khona uba ndiyazisokolisa ngalamadoda ngoba lamadoda amane ephume ngena amane
awakho as passionate as well
as I am ndaqoba okay ndinayo ngoku ingoma yam noba awekho la madoda ndizawucula le ngoma so ndaphusha upasa kwabo grade 12 ke ngoku ndabheka e-Fort xa ndibheka e-Fort ndiyadethacha from the crew now at the same time andizomane ndibuyela la madoda yaba la madoda akekho passionate
ngehlobo lakho
so mna kufuneka ndiqale yami into phaa ndiyipush nakakubuza uba ndinguba ndifika ndiphethe isithi i-M4L kwaphaa i-Fort ndifika sendiqobisa ndingena azinaside ezopini fika phaa azinaside ndifika ndithi mna ndiyarepa kuthiwa ukharepha bakhuphele isithi packaged iyarepa lena ngoba ndithethwa ngam laweni ndafuna ujoyina i-4HEB it's an association ephaa i-Fort ye-artists yayiphaa I don't know noba isekhona nangoku ye-artists so ndafika ndajoyina phaya ndacula ingoma eyi-1 kwathiwa uba in kwam ndafumana istage ufumana kwam istage kwathiwa yi-closing act yethu all the time because of now sivalwa ndim istage uba ndiphefomile kwakho itendency yobana baphuma abantu xa bophefomanga so ezinye actors kaphefuma
ndayiva ke ngoku so kwanyanzeleka wena sikubeke behind because wena usibambele crowd
yabo so ilani indinike i-confidence eninzi namba okay ndiyangqinwa apha kulapho kona ndizoqala khona ngokuzoba ne-association nemoswell so image nalaa nto yobana mandibe-branded as an artist iqale interested okay mandibe zitshizi
amajita almosware wona were they phaa e-Fort at the time okanye bingamajita angaphandle qha kurecognize through movement
ebese-Cape Town so mna ndiyithandele ndiyibona kufacebook ndabona omnye umjita kuthiwa nguJerome inxibile phaa i-Alice kanti bakandinike inamba ndibatasha babesithi bayandifollowa mandinxibe xa bekunxibiza ndasele ndibathengisela phaa i-Fort
so bapenetrate i-market ye-students through no man because that is where a lot of ispansako nalesi sasirecognize khona sabona uba ubani oqarha lo and that is where most of us saw ispansako with and also I also want to agree with the fact that the branding the ambassadorship it elevated the brand yakho
ispana kakhulu into enze ndakwazi outstand yabo ezinye artists bezifika ziperform zinxibe i-flops or something
inxibe ushort inxibe i-flops inxibe iskip okanye i-vest thembele ngeskill qha
so mna that time xa ndinxibe i-mos benibonakala and nabantu ama-cherry beyithanda la brand so njengoba
nawe uwathanda ama-cherry
beninomntu oyi-one. So but yeah, when I dressed up nechomi zami sinxiba phaa so betatshana befuna imatch so bezisondeza le match abantu abaninzi.
Yeah.
So shout out to Most Native as well for making
You
sure.
still active?
I don't know yet because some party ways.
Yeah. No, and then we needed to just get a little bit of that background because of the type of mculo owenzayo. Because the type of mculo owenzayo, it's not bubblegum. There's a lot of substance. And then when you listen to lamculo, you also want to know by a background story along the team. So I want us to get to the current album, but before we get to the current album, is it your first album? Or there are albums before this album?
Actually, there was a mixtape at Linqumele Mlonyeni, 2015. There I was trying to way artist in the head because Ben Puma group, right?
Okay.
So 2021 that could be second project.
When was Inqumele Mlonyeni?
2015.
2015.
Yeah.
Okay.
No Chintees.
Yeah, Chintees.
Yeah, that album yadnikithemba kakhulu because now a song of the year Kumgani FM with it.
With the awards.
Yeah. So yadnikithemba that Komokeni brand was.
Yeah.
So from 2015 that built up until 2021 the Kupa Le Inopekhi project.
Okay.
Ghetto Kids Have Dreams too. 2021. And then now this one Ghetto Kids Lives Matter is the third offering.
Okay.
The third offering.
So okay, before we speak about this album, let's speak about the album in Upekhi. Because Upekhi becomes the biggest song on the album.
Yeah.
But to my following of you and social media and keeping tapped in, because I'm a big fan of your art. Upekhi is not the song you dropped as a single.
Yeah.
Technically, you didn't believe in the song.
No, I didn't.
And the song disappointed you because it became the biggest song on the album.
Yeah. Actually, infundisene leyo bana i-team ibalekile. Ingqondo ezininzi zibalekile kunengqondo eyi-one. Ngoba jonga apha sinophizo, apha sinogxarha. Uphizo wenze i-beat, sino-Omaya, u-Omaya wenze i-visuals. And then sino-Snares, uSnares usirekhodile, right?
Okay.
And then now sitheka sidibana sonke si-united sine-vision eyi-one. Okay, sino-Trace, ikhona akuthiwa ngu-Trace yasemthatha. Trace unandoni yena uyayidirector.
Okay.
So umjita unabantu abaninci abafundisa i-acting phaa so wathatha bona wathi banza bafaka kule video so ba-actayo phaa ezi-street kids. So la majita onke ingqondo yabo beyibeke kule ngoma ipush yakubi kule ngoma so la ngoma there was no way that bengazulenza ngendlela besibambisene
based on effort if you were.
So yeah man, I didn't trust the song. Omaya trusted it. It was a third song and then he dropped a project.
Yeah, because I remember you dropped a couple of singles. They were not doing bad. Yeah, but it's just that this one stood out. I know when a song is big and doing big numbers, and then who comes with the idea of the TikTok challenge?
No, it was me.
Because it exploded from that TikTok. Because I think you did close to 1 million.
It was me. Actually, even the song, there's a guy from KZN, but Young Cannibal.
Okay, I'm Young Cannibal.
Yeah, Young Cannibal, when you track it, Street Kids.
Okay.
So Street Kids, for a long time, just a fort.
Okay.
So now, change the concept says the song.
Okay.
So I was still writing that song at that time. I figure the center concept change. Yeah. So because when I pick up Piso, so I have to
How do you take us through? How do you get the beat? When you are So how does the song come about? Do you get the beat first? Or do you write first before getting the beat?
No, ndandibaseleka ibeat le ndiyifumene ndaqala ndifumana ibeat. So ibeat kaPizo ndiyifumana ndimenzele i-design uPizo.
Okay.
So ndamenzele i-design for i-logo and then wavuya urhulumane wathi I'm happy dog, what can I do for you? And I said to him, no bro, I just need your beat.
Okay.
He sent me that beat, and he said to me that this beat was not supposed to be sold or given to anybody. Bendiyenzela utimer wami, befuna ubhala utimer wami ingoma.
Okay.
But now ndifuna uyinika wena le beat, yabo. But okay, ndayigcine for about 2 years or a year and a half. Okihleli kunzima uyibhalela, but kwathi kwafika la inspiration yoba la ngoma ye-Street Kid. So it's when ndaqala khona uyibhala. It was during COVID, I think 2020 ngiyibhalela. Yeah. Sihleli pha eKomani. I was like, okay, what if i-Street Kid asizazi uba zingubherhi? Okay, xa singasazi man ke ndizifake kwezanyawo za-Street Kid. Emva koko ndiyitsho uba ndingubherhi, then njengale way yobana kuthiwe abantu bathi i-albinos zingawo. And then we are not aware that Zingawo Tina is albinos, right? And then now the society is saying that's Zingawo, and they know that they're saying something wrong about that. So now, as same as Upehi, you know, I'm like, okay, Upehi. I was born in Upehi, and I was accept. Yeah. So now, okay, it's fine. Man, get Upehi, but niggas can't tell Upehi, and then who's gonna say what? Now Upehi, I see Upehi.
Yeah. So it's more like Lendoban Baptizangayo. We are owner, so that we disempower Shalando, yeah. And then you record the song Ekomani. Then who mixes and master the song?
It was Snares way by Ekomani.
Okay.
It was success on a project. So I ends along, and the song I think was the last song from the project to Snares, yo, why Catalele, yo.
Snares believed in the song from the jam.
Yeah, he believed.
Shout out to Snares. I mean, that's a producer. That's A&R for real. I mean, he saw a potential in Ngoma before when, and then the song goes out. And then, what would you say the song did to elevate your brand?
Dimkhulu, bro. Ngala ngoma. Abantu abadala, okay, umculo wami uyakwazi udlalwa ifamily yonke endlini kusityiwa i-breakfast or something ngenxa yala ngoba because they playing that song, and also nabantu abadala bayakwazi ngokundithemba ndifumana i-calls abazalini besithi bra abantwana bethu bamamele ingoma zakho. So bra, whatever you're doing, make sure that uyayazi uba uyi-role model.
Yeah.
So yenze i-brand yami yayinto endinethemba layo lokuphila as well. So shout out to the song Upehi, and I'm super happy to have that song. And
big shout out to you, man. I mean, the consistency, also the respect for your fans as well, because you are one of the few artists that are still stuck to. I always say you and ATB are always one of the artists in Sequoia that are still doing the. I don't want to come across like I'm throwing shade at other artists, but like the substance-based music, not necessarily the vibe. Yes, you catch hits because it's in you, you're a dope artist, but the type of music you do, someone can tell that this person is not doing the song to catch a hit. He's just doing the song because he loves it and he puts Ilaluka. What's the name of the new album? I want us to talk about the new album.
Iti Ghetto Kids Lives Matter.
Why that concept? Why that title? We haven't got into the album. Why that title?
Izikhala zesinazo zininzi estradweni ne. Njengoba zizininzi angathi akho umuntu ufuna uziva.
Yeah.
Also izigulo esizifumanayo ezinezisombululo that I feel like zinazo isombululo azilungiswa ngenxa yokubana kuthiwa imali ngenxa yobana if the problem is there, they will be able to make money abantu abaninzi.
Okay.
So now I believe that abantu sebaya compromise over imali now.
So intsokolo yabantu indlela yokwenza imali.
Basically. Yeah. So now also people with talent and people with the potentials as Tili, they're not considered now.
Okay.
Because of they're related to a certain family now, they're related to whoever now, you know what I mean? So now, which is the talent you have, Inganga Popi, which is the potential you uhileza school wana so bangazinayo solution wena ngoba wena awukho ku space esigren so uyenze awukho related to anybody else.
Okay.
So now the reason why decision is like Ghetto Kids Lives Matter ekugqibeleni noma kwenza kanti naze ke nizinike ixesha like nithini nimamele babathini guys.
So banikwe indlebe nawe as well because impilo zabo neminqweno yabo it matters as well.
And ulife wakho nawe umuntu onamandla kusenokwenzeka ukuthi depende kwabantu ongafuna ubanike chance okanye ubacekisa.
Man, it's a deep concept, but I don't know if it's me. you would correct me, but there's a continuation from the previous album.
Yeah.
The previous album, what was it called?
Your Kids Have Dreams too.
Yeah, because exactly. Yeah. Because even if you remember, I asked you, but this is an old concept, and because I felt like there's a big and you corrected me. No, this is actually not a big old concept, but it's a continuous concept. And yeah, but I want us to dive deep on this album on track 4, Petu Tangaje.
Yeah, you remember I said, when I get to PE, the first CD and I always wanted to make a song.
So there's always that thing that we knew, but nobody but I can't jump on the song with this guy. Yeah. What a humble guy.
Yeah, he is, bro.
Yeah, we shot an episode with Tangaje. Unfortunately, it never aired. Sasiye passed straight by. We shot an episode, it never aired because of technical. And big shout out to him. And also Luthando Mzi. Luthando Mzi is one of the
Luthando Mzi and ndimazi through Huba, ne?
Okay.
So no Huba sifane sincokola yabo Mpondomise intswemble ndiyenzayo uyangincoma.
Yeah, Huba is supporting.
Yeah.
Too much, yeah.
So ndizova le ngoma ka Huba ayenze no Luthando Mzi. Ndibuze ngubani? Isoja.
Yeah.
Athi Luthando Mzi wasedimbaza. Didn't know, man. Can't link an eye. Then can't figure can an eye. But I was
okay. So the energies were connected.
Yeah. Small local coco can no brass. Small local coco. We was on phone in the slam. Make that slam, Papa. So now I'm dropping an album. Yeah, phone in the phone and the number yaba isebenzi lindala kwenza kanoni. Ngixelela athi no phone ndifuna ukuthi ukhuphe album apha and ke ngoku ingoma nawa ayikho. Yabo tabe nsithi brass shota ngengoma ezimbalwa apha wabe sithi phone njengoba ndithetha ngigqiba ukusendela ingoma wo yabo. So proud unthumelele ibeat.
So you made a beat and then wenza ingoma then send it to you.
Wasenda kumi yeah. Isithi ba ndiyenzela wena ndifuna wena xa wayisenzela mina le ngoma.
Yeah.
Wanthumelela kuBrian then mna nditheni ndidibene noSinaimane eGauteng.
Okay. So ndiyambona is the second feature on the song. Yeah.
That Khulman nanzi le way and uSinaimane mosingathi uhamba ijourney yakhe ethongo and all that.
Yeah.
So ndambona Brian ngathi ungangena mangile ngoma senze kanti idlala wayithanda. So now ndivonile uBrian uthanda. Yibuda ndinoSinaimane ungandiphambanisi Yeah, fika njalo la ngoma banomsiba nomona yabo.
Yeah.
Banomsindo
You always have Ushaks on your project.
Yeah, Ushaks andikwazi umlahla yabo. And andikwazi ukuhlukana naye because Ushaks uyenzile icareer yami yabo. When he started to do music ndani ndimnaye ngosasijoyina igroup boarding school ndandifuna naye Khanyisa Ushaks.
Yeah.
Ngosijoyina le group ye boys eziculayo I was with him.
Okay.
So ngosibheke eGauteng I was with him. And then Ushaks wayerapper advised like yo dog surapper yenze vocals cula kamnandi wenza rap. So sabayiduo enjalo okoko for a long time. So ingoma zami ezininzi eziculayo Your Kids Have Dreams too.
Yeah.
Nondando even umama wayebhalwe nguShaks.
Okay.
So he's easy to write choruses for me and I'm easy to give him verses for me.
So it basically collaboration is what makes things tick. And yeah, that it is a beautiful album. If you haven't checked out the album, I need you to go on your Spotify right now, YouTube Music, all digital platforms. I always suggest to Spotify so that we push the numbers. It's called Ghetto Kids Lives Matter. It's an album that dropped in 2025. Beautiful 25 songs.
Yeah, man. 25. There's a song there, Eti Patisando to Galaxies. Yeah.
Track 24.
Track 24. Yeah.
Okay.
I saw a potential, clear boy. This boy is from Gapa, Nasekapa, Kosi Kapa.
Okay.
And then now they born a buzz on social media. And I was like, okay, now people starting to create a commotion, but for and something like that.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, let me go.
Because at the same time he was buzzing, you were buzzing go big.
Yeah, buzzing go big.
So yeah, so
So now I called this boy like, yo bro, we need to work on something. They were like, yeah, good man, or he even did a line Gumbo Maya Keti. something like that.
Okay.
So he was playing around.
Yeah, but by that personal.
So personal.
Yeah.
So no man, let's do something. Athi thumele fast beat. Any beat nifumana komnye umjita tandiphangela naye. Ndafika nje hamba lo mjita manje ngathanda hip hop, wathi beat maker ndathanda beat. Ndayithumela more wandithumelela fast la ngo. Sayenza njalo. So now the time bensenza show eJozi, Zmo was the first people in Mcingile. But your boys senzile ingoma ngoku ufuneka uze eJozi.
Okay.
Yeah, hi. Brand I appreciate it. No brand, mangakhiba fakela idansika ibhas uzubuye. Where's boys ufika performer wa grand. Like I'm happy to see artists zicooler. Difake something.
That is one of the things that I really like about Nina, Great Generation, because I've always said, even in previous generations, one of the things that are hindering growth, the hip hop, Eastern Cape, lack of collaboration. And then when collaboration is not there, then what's there? It's competition. Then competition brings nothing, but the collaboration, it helps. You have Tay Africa, you have, this is a beautiful project. But tell me, my dog, what is your criteria of choosing features? Because there's people that I can say, why didn't you put One Bunny on this album?
Yeah, I get that. Nazi favorites zam ngela xesha.
Okay.
Abanye umzekelo ndiyabatacha banga reply. Like I did touch people, like I did touch Holy Alpha. Okay. I did touch Bravo. Then ndiyafuna usibana nabo, I don't wanna lie. It's just that maybe bengekho kwi level yobana ndenze umculo nabo ngela xesha.
Okay.
But hopefully in future we will. I really wanted to have them up, even Dikoala as well, because I'm a big fan of Dikoala as well.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Holy Alpha is a dope rapper. I mean, energy on stage is crazy. Bravo Nero is the same thing.
Yeah.
He's super nice, the fashion sense, everything. Then Udi is basically, I would say he's one of the top Xhosa rappers right now.
Yeah, she
but
is.
Now I don't believe it was a level thing. I don't know. I can't speak for them. I don't believe it was a level thing. It could have been. I'm not speaking for them. Okay. It could have been. We go through a lot of things. Like you go through, I go through. Sometimes you can send me a DM at the crib. The kids don't have anything to eat. I'm going through that at that time. I'm not saying that's what happened to them. And then I don't reply to your DM at the time.
Yeah.
And then you carry on with your thing. But I really like the fact that you're still keeping a positive energy.
Yeah. The thing
in
is,
future, because I know for sure D knows you, Holy Alpha knows you, Bravo Leroy, they know you. Yeah. And for sure when they add, they respect your work. So if they're listening and they come across this clip, the studio is calling, my dog.
Yeah. I'm a big fan of them. I'm a big fan, including Bud Legend as well. Yeah, including Bud Legend. You're right, by the way, but he schedules it as fun.
As fun, my dog, as fun.
Omye was going through a lot.
Yeah, Omye was not even going through bad things. They just dropped Melissa an album. They want to put all their energy on this album.
That album. Yeah.
Then they feel like, and then it slips their mind that they didn't. I always like to keep that positive energy. Yeah. But what happens in this era of you guys, I also asked the Lord Native this when he came to the radio station. You get the cosigns and everything, the platform, the numbers and everything. Why beef? I don't understand. I mean, I'm thinking if Ugaha is going to sit on a 200,000 followers, and artist B is sitting on a 300,000. I'm thinking Ugaha wants that 300,000. And One Bunny wants that 200,000. Then the energy should be, let's jump into studio and do a song. Introduce me to those 300,000 people. Let me introduce you to the 200,000 people. But you guys just decide to beef.
I feel like I'm actually clever. I go clever. Ngehlobo lokubana ikhona out yase-Cape Town ibiveya ndidisa ndizihlelele yabo.
Ekhumbula lo situation.
Yeah, ndihleli phaa eThembisa, sihlala eThembisa ngoku. Xa ndibuya phaa ngecawe ebusuku ndifika kwi-artwork ethi Gqarha Dis. I'm tagged. Bese ndiyivula le way. Gqarha lena ndiyithethayo qala uzixelela unyoko. And I was like, xa bekutheni ke ngoku. Yabo. and I'm understand. And then now can chonga abantu ifladile inanzika i-timeline yami ku-Facebook uba DC uzawuthini yeah tanga siyithethe le yakuba you chicken ngani and then now ndaqala ndathini nda entertain ababantu yabo because now nibe ndifuna i-engagement yami ibe enhle ku-Facebook reply copy poll okay yes or no okay reels trying to build that.
Actually now a businessman in you is kicking in now.
Yeah because I'm offended and andivika buhlungu andinangabi nalo mjita mazi lo mjita but now lo mjita like I know him like as an artist I used to listen to him so now this is me
out of James
what would this nigga as drop as udisa mina kodwa mina ndiyayazi ba lo mjita kudala rapper even before me.
Yeah
and I was like you know what mandimthisa lo mjita ukwenza ngazophinde ngithiswe ngomunye yeah so for me it was not even a matter of achieving anything it was just to clear the air I don't want people to
basically
as much as
abangaqheli kakubi
ndisithulele mana ndizenzela umculo wami ozomotivate abantwana imotivate yonke la way so now if you coming for me I'm not that guy who's gonna reply but if it's gonna work for me I'm gonna come.
You're gonna come as well. Nah, I hope Machi, you don't do that again. Please, man, we don't need the energy, the this, the whatever. We don't need that energy. It's collaboration. Now, we are wrapping up the interview. I've never heard this album at all. I've seen the artwork. Why must I peep the album?
Why must you listen to the album?
Why must I go on my Spotify and play Ghetto Kids Lives Matters too? Whereas kukho albums eziphumileyo ezintswempu and feel like uba artists as a favorites motivate me. Why should I peep this album?
Umoya wakho uzoba kwispace ebekufanele ukuso when you listen to the album. Secondly, you'll be able to see izinto ngendlela a positive than indlela a wrong. And also you're gonna have fun. Because we have side A and side B, right? So side A we talk about the heart, motivation, utando, yongelanda. And then on side B we turn up like it's a trap, it's a boom bap, it's raps. So you're gonna be fully cultured to hip hop when you listen to the album. In terms of relating to whatever is happening in the country right now. At the same time, you'll be able to turn up and smile. You know what I mean?
That's dope, my dog. I mean, that's a dope explanation. I mean, I didn't expect to get bamboos out here because it's fresh. No, I mean, that's dope to hear, Mvoya too. This beautiful artwork. Who's on the artwork?
The artwork, it's me and Tolly Ann.
Okay.
We collaborated to do it. I really believe a lot with Tolly Ann. As you know that I'm a graphic designer, but I feel like Tolly, I needed him to be involved as well. I need to get, my dog, I need to get you on radio. I've been talking to him, saying, Fana, pull up. Let's chop it up. Let's sit down. Actually, we did a song with Tolly Ann there.
Yeah, on the album. I think I came across, where is it? On track 9. Ingelosi. He's a dope
song vocalist. Uyingelosi engenamaphiko useyincosi you were born to be a hero. It's a song dedicated to albinism, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So xa ungumntana uphila ne-albinism especially intombazana kuthiwa suphuma phandle because of into ezimbini lilanga elesibini ngabantu abazokubhesha bazokubona uba ufani nabo.
Okay.
All right. So when uyingelosi xa uphuma everybody was surprised but kukhona lo unje. Yabo. So now xa uphuma uzoface ezobayeza ubomi bakho bonke uzofuneka uqine ukubana xa ubhesha uzokwazi. And okwesibini also ilazika ilanga ufuneka ukwazi uba uprotector. So the song is nice, man. Verse 1 inthetha ngalomntana intombazana onga acceptwanga i-community but I'm convincing community to accept you. And then track verse number 2 I'm talking about me, that I don't care about what you say about me.
But this is me.
This is me.
I mean, dog, I must say it, dog. I mean, I really appreciate the fact that you are standing up for Abantu Aba. Every people needs umtu that can actually stand up for Bona and speak for Bona as that particular community. And it's unfortunately it doesn't have to be like that, but the society and the community in general, it's built in that way that they're always looking for to make themselves feel good. That's how communities it is built on corner. Congratulations on the album, my dog. El Nino is also on the album. Zukona SA is also on the album. I need people to go and run these numbers. But I must say this before I let you go. I like one thing about the album. It's an album that people listen to throughout. You know how I tell. The numbers from the first song to the last song, they're not too different. So it means that you don't have a 10,000 streams and a 1,000 streams. You are 10,000, 7,000, 6,000. The numbers, it shows me that people are really interested in the story from the jump of the album. So a big shout out to you for the arrangement. Because that can be caused by arrangement. Because if you're going to take me through a journey on the song and then the next song you're turning up, hey, Sithin Gandhi, I was just listening to that beautiful story about a girl from Eslalini that is living with albinism. So I really appreciate that about the album. Congratulations on that as well. Because people now, the concentration span is crazy. 10-song album, they listen to the first 3, they jump to a piano or something else.
Now, even giving you 25 songs because it's 2025.
Okay.
Yeah, and also I wanted to drop an album 2023. And then I'm computers. So I was like, let me give you a double album now.
Okay.
Yeah, man. There's a big song there in the album. It's doing very well. And we're going to Cape Town tomorrow. The plan is to shoot the video for the song. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it features to MEK, no Mabuda Benga.
Which is track 7.
Yeah. As on one as we took against the So there's one they doing very well in Cape Town.
Okay.
And also Nambu was saying so I felt like there's a need for me to work with these boys.
Okay, in Elevator.
Yeah.
Okay. Before we close it, you dropped this album under your record label, which is a Authentic Blend.
Yeah.
Am I calling it correctly?
Yeah, it's Authentic Blend.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about that.
Authentic Blend is a record label that I'm working on.
Okay.
Yeah, I have artists as E3 Mogo, Lero Zotomela, Mason, and Main Cool.
Okay.
So we're pushing artists as Suga. Actually, it's artism that is the believer goes because it's Suga Eastern Cape and it's Netherlands, there's the Joburg, there's the Passion at the same time. They're very nice. If you want to check them out, Tikone Momedi Tembale Logish are in the project.
Okay.
Yeah, Itembale Logish, you go and check the song. So I'm actually they kill the song.
They're on the song, all of them. Yeah, I see. Is a track 21. Yeah. Big shout out to you, man, for putting Amachita on when you get the opportunity.
Yeah.
Crazy. Now, where can people follow you? Your social media? Yeah,
I'm the big Gakolo Pagu TikTok, go YouTube, now go Facebook, now go Instagram. Yeah,
so YouTube you monetize?
Yeah, obvious.
So you're making money with YouTube?
Yeah, that's
so you're gonna put us on. So you're gonna take our link and put it there and ask your people to subscribe.
Yeah.
Because I need to pay these brews here.
Yeah.
Because we don't have money and they have that we don't have money. So I need to pay them. So we rely on you here.
I know it's fine, they're gonna holler.
And then can we go the handles?
The handles are Mtaha SA, because all these platforms, Mtaha SA. Even my album is available on Spotify, iTunes, and YouTube Music. Please check me out. And I've audio make as well.
I need you to look in that cam or that cam.
Okay.
Choose any. Now, the album is out. What do you want to achieve with the album?
Actually, what I want to achieve with the album, I want to be that artist ezohlala egemini, ezofundisa abantwana ekhaya, ezokonwabisa abanqongopheleyo, and also that artist ezoba nemali zazo ikwazi ukukhulisa ifamily yayo. I want that car, I want that house, I want that wife, I want that music is gonna play with household zonke. And also the most important, I want to hear umntwane, umsuthu, umzulu, maybe
that song.
Indawo bemamele isiXhosa.
See you in the next episode. Go and play the album. We're out of here.
Shut up.